Hello, investors and financial enthusiasts. Welcome to our channel, where we simplify investing for everyone. Today, we're examining the Bogleheads Guide to the 3-Fund Portfolio. How a simple portfolio of 3 total market index funds outperforms most investors with less risk by Taylor Larimore. In this insightful guide, Taylor Larimore champions a straightforward investment strategy that has stood the test of time. The book is based on the investment principles of John C. Bogle, the founder of Vanguard and a proponent of low-cost index fund investing. Larimore explains the 3-fund portfolio, a combination of total stock market, total international stock market, and total bond market index funds. This approach is praised for its simplicity, tax efficiency, and the ability to outperform more complex investment strategies. The book demystifies investing for the average person, showing that you don't need to be a financial expert to build wealth. Larimore provides evidence that most investors can benefit from this uncomplicated yet effective portfolio, which minimizes fees and reduces risk. The Bogleheads Guide to the 3-Fund Portfolio is not just about investing, it's about adopting a philosophy of simplicity and long-term thinking in all aspects of personal finance. Thank you for joining us on Book Review in a Minute. If you're looking to streamline your investment approach and found this review informative, please hit the like button and subscribe for more clear-cut financial advice. Until next time, invest smartly, keep it simple, and watch your portfolio grow.